Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist. Hi, I love marshmallows. Not only are they super tasty, but they are also amazing at using them for science demos. So that means they are educational too. I am going to use this marshmallow masher kit that Timstar sent me to demonstrate air pressure. Place a few marshmallows into the tube. Then screw on the lid. The air trapped inside of the marshmallows, which gives it its light and fluffy texture, is the same as the air outside at the moment. However, as I start to pump, the pressure inside the tube increases. This means the air pressure inside the marshmallows is now lower than the air around them, and so they start to shrink. Let's try that again, shall we? But this time with bigger marshmallows, so it will be easier for us to see them shrinking, even though it requires a lot more effort. You will begin to see that the marshmallows are shrinking very slowly though. When I release the pressure, they should spring back to their original size. If you do not have any marshmallows, you can also use washing up liquid and water. I've added some washing up liquid and then mixed with the water. You then need to give it a gentle shake until the bubbles are made. It is the same as when you do it with the marshmallows, but when they shrink, we know they are not popping because when I release the air, they change back into their original form. Wow, that was so cool! Thanks for watching, bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you can see experiments from Franz Scott to Stephen Gates.